Hey there, Brian Curran with Green Dog ChemDry. This is our exclusive 10-step process to show you how we kick the pants off of our competition, giving you the cleanest, driest, healthiest carpets you've ever had. Take over, Terry, and show them what we got.
Thank you, Brian. We'll begin by sweeping your porch or our point of entry so as not to track in any soil during or especially after our cleaning is done. We're going to turn on your HVAC fan as well as any ceiling fans to ensure the fastest drying times possible. Then we'll inspect your carpets or upholstery for any problem areas that might require special attention or treatments. Next, we're going to do a thorough pre-vacuum of all the carpeted areas that we're there to clean. This is to ensure we remove as much dry soil as possible. It's the most important step in cleaning carpet, something most carpet cleaners don't do, but we always do. Now we will carefully move all your upholstered furniture and tables, like coffee and end tables, to get to as much of the carpet as possible. But don't worry, we'll put it back for you. Next, we apply a fiber-specific pre-spray to the carpet, paying special attention to those high traffic areas. Now the magic happens. We clean with our patented green carbonated solution, Natural 4. It's heated and pumped in from our truck and applied with an RX-20 power head like you see here. At over 400 cleaning passes per minute, it ensures you get the cleanest, healthiest carpet possible. We will then go back over the carpet and detail the corners, edges, and thresholds with our hand tool. We'll also work on any stubborn spots with specific spot cleaners as needed. We'll invite you in to see our results and review our work. We'll wipe down the baseboards and adjacent hard floors to make sure we get any excess moisture. And finally, we'll groom your carpet to its finished look and remove any debris that we have pulled up through our cleaning. This will also help with the dry time as well. At this point, we'll also place blocks and tabs under the furniture wherever it's necessary. Well, there you have it. The cleanest, driest, and healthiest carpet or upholstery possible. Thank you for choosing Green Dog ChemDry.